In this video, we are going to study or we are going to see the experiment number 2. The aim of the experiment is to study the various test signal generators. So as we all know that there are basically four signal generator or the standard inputs. First one is your step input, ramp input. Third one is your parabolic input, and fourth one is your impulse input. Okay, so we are having one kit in which three inputs are there: step input, ramp input, parabolic input. Okay, so there is a theory behind this. We are having one test signal generator kit, and we require digital multimeter to check the output. Okay, so as we can see, step function generator, the mathematical equation is as given as RT is equal to R or A or 0. Okay, depending upon the time condition that you already know. The Laplace transformation is given as A upon S. For the ramp input, RT is equal to R of T is equal to RT or A into T or 0. Okay, depending upon the value of time. Another one, third one is your parabolic input. Okay, it is by mistake written as a step input. It is nothing but your parabolic input. Okay, so your parabolic input is R of T is equal to ET square by 2 or 0 depending upon your time constraint. Okay, and the Laplace transformation of this is given as 1 upon SQ. Similarly, for the unit impulse input, it is nothing but R of T is equal to E or 0, and for impulse input it is given as either infinity or 0, and the mathematically delta T, or it is in terms of a Laplace, it will be either 1 or 0. Okay, so in this particular kit we will uh, connect step function, ramp function, and your parabolic function in a different mode, and we will check the output. Okay, the output will be in step function, it will be A, that is nothing but the amplitude that we have set. For ramp input, the output will be A into T, that means A into T. We need to check the output at the interval of time, so we'll be requiring some observation table. So at the output side, which is available in the multimeter of your particular kit, you will be, you need to note it down at the interval of every 5 seconds. Okay, at the interval of every 5 seconds you need to note it down for the ramp input. For the parabolic input, again you have to note it down for the same output at the interval of every 5 second or the 10 second. Okay, this is the waveform of your impulse input. We are changing the x and y values, and we will be getting t is equal to infinity, r of t is equal to infinity. The procedure is given over here, how to connect in the ramp and parabolic, that I explained in this video. You have to write down the calculation for this. So in this video we are going to complete our second experiment. So second experiment is related to your test signal generator. Okay, so to study and to perform the test signal generator, so we are having one kit in which, in this kit we are having a various test signal generator, or it is nothing but your standard inputs. Okay, so this is nothing but your step input, ramp input, parabolic input. Okay, so there is various outlets of this particular input is given to you, and here it is given as a signal selector, which signal you want to use, whether step, ramp and parabolic. So you can connect it over here also or here also. That means yellow, it is already connected, and if it is in a dotted line, that means this you need to connect. Okay, so and there is nothing but it is given as step level adjust. That means you have to adjust this step level, that is the value of A, that is nothing but the amplitude depending upon this. Okay, so what I will do, I will select any step, ramp or parabolic input, connect with its signal generator, and I will check the output from this port. Okay, so suppose if I want to check the step input output will be the constant one, because all of you know that the value of the R of T, is nothing but the A, whatever the amplitude we are setting it over here, it is nothing but available over here, that is A. Next I will go for the ramp input. Okay, so the A value is fixed. Now output value is going to be multiplied by A into T. So this output value, it is going to be in multiplication with respect to time. So whenever we are switching on this key, okay, at that time you will be having output 0. But after some time, whenever time approaches to, let us say 5 second, 10 second and more, the value of the output is going to vary. Why it is going to vary? Because our function is what? R of t is equal to a into t. It is going to be multiplied with your a into t. Okay, so this is for the ramp input. If I am selecting parabolic input, what it will happen? It will give me the output again in a fluctuation. At time t is equal to 0, whenever I am switching on the circuit, t is equal to 0, it will give the output 0. But after some time, it will be increasing. 5 seconds alag ase, 10 seconds alag ase. Why? Because the output or the mathematical expression for the parabolic input r of t is equal to at square by 2. At square by 2. Okay, so what we will do? Generally, what happens? We are checking the output, and parallelly we are putting a stopwatch over here. Okay, so we will be continuously monitoring the value of different value of the output value at that particular interval of time. Okay, but right now I will provide all the readings to you because it is difficult to measure and use the stopwatch with the help of mobile, and we have to just concentrate on the output also. Okay, so I will start practical from over here. So we will be having one wire over here. So I will be selecting this signal. Okay, step signal. This you can select it over here also. Okay, this will be true and this will also be true. Okay, right now first we have selected the step signal, and at the output side I will connect the multimeter. I will check the output voltage, okay, in terms of a volt. I will check the output in terms of a volt. So I am okay. Okay. Then I will set the multimeter in the millivolt. Okay. Now I will turn on the switch. Okay. If I am turning on the switch, right now it is in discharge position. So sorry, it is on a least value, so it is 0. Now I am increasing the value. If I am increasing the value, you can see, 1 minute, there is something, okay, there is some connection issues are there, that's why they are showing minus. Okay, so it is, I am increasing, so the values are also increasing. So that means I am adjusting the value of step A. Okay, so right now I will make A is equal to, let us say, 230 volt. Okay, 230 millivolt. Okay, switch on kari. Okay, switch on kari at 230 or 250, whatever I have mentioned over here, 230. Okay, so it will remain as it is. Why? Our equation is what? RT is equal to A. N time jode leva deva chhe nahi. That means it is irrespective of, output is irrespective of your time. Okay, so if I am turning on this kit, I keep this kit turn on for, let us say, 5 minutes, 10 minutes, or many more minutes. Okay, the output will remain same. Okay, so this is your step input. Okay, I am putting it in a discharge mode. Okay, setting level I am putting it over here and turning it on. Next part is what? I will be using ramp input. So I am just putting in a ramp position. Okay, so it will be in a ramp position. Right now it will be in a discharge position. Now you can see over here, suppose I am putting in a 0 position, let us say 0 position for कदाच नहीं आ रहा. Let me try again with the help of another probe, because there is a small voltage, there is a variation in the voltage. So it is in terms of a millivolt. એટલે તમને અહીંયા વધારે દેખાશે કે વધારે વોલ્ટેજ આવે છે, but it is in terms of a millivolt only. Okay, so let me try if it is coming to 0 or something. Okay, let us say it is nearer to 0. Okay, but don't concentrate on this because it is in terms of a millivolt. ये थोड़ું વધારે ઓછું થતું રહેશે, but it is okay. Okay, done. Now I am turning it on. Okay, the moment I am turning it on, the output voltage is going to increase. Okay, let it be some steady for a while. Okay, I'm turning it on. Okay, so it is right now it is 0 because we have not started, so I'm starting it. Okay, at t is equal to 0 I have turned it on, and gradually the output is increasing. As you can see, it is 23. So after 5 seconds it is 32. After 10 seconds it is 45. After 15 seconds it is 63. After 20 seconds it is 79, and so on. So what you have to do, you have to collect the reading from 0 second. 0 second, that means આ મોમેન્ટે જે સેકન્ડે તમારો વિડીયો અહીંયા હોય 0 સેકન્ડ ઉપર છે તમારો વિડીયો. So at that moment you have to note down the reading of this, and at the interval of every 5 minutes you have to note down the reading of this. Okay, done. So I am just making it again for you, complete in a discharge mode. Okay, turning it off, so it is becoming a steady. Now I am turning it on. Okay, it is 0. Now I will start. Okay, so you have to take the reading in the interval of every 5 seconds. So 0 second આ જ્યારે પ્રેસ કરું ત્યારે તમારી 0 સેકન્ડ. Okay, you have to take the reading after every 5 seconds. Although I will provide all the readings. Okay, and if you are plotting the graph of your output with respect to time, it will be having a RAM input, and output કેવો આવશે input. Okay, done. So this is regarding your ramp input. Now next I will discharge it. I will make it off position, then I will make it in a parabolic. So I have connected in a parabolic. So now the output or input signal is nothing but your parabolic signal. Okay, now I will turn it on. Right now it is in discharge position, so let it discharge and put into a 0 voltage. Okay, 0 voltage આવી જશે. ત્યાં સુધી I have to wait. So now I am turning it on. Okay, so it will start from this. Okay, again you have to take the reading of your output voltages in the interval of every 5 seconds. Okay, for this you can take as 10 seconds. Okay, it is out of a range. I am just making the range of voltmeter. Okay, so why it is happening like this? Because our parabolic equation is 80 square by 2, so it will be like this. So if I am drawing this, done. So you have to take the reading. Although I will provide you, you just re-watch the video so you can see clearly. Okay, so this is regarding your second experiment, test signal generator. First, second and 3 we have taken in the output. Thank you.